How do I reconnect my Ring device after it goes offline?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to reconnect your Ring device after it goes offline. It's a common issue that can happen for various reasons, but don't worry, it's usually easy to fix. We'll guide you step by step through the process. Don't forget to have your Ring device and your smartphone ready.
Check your internet connection.
The first thing you should do is check your internet connection. The Ring device going offline can be due to an issue with your Wi-Fi. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is working properly by checking other devices. If there's an issue, resetting your router might help.
Is your Ring device charged?
Next, you need to ensure your Ring device has enough power. If it's a battery-powered model, it might have gone offline due to a low battery. If your device is hardwired, ensure the power supply is uninterrupted.
Restart your Ring device.
If your internet is working fine and your Ring device is charged, the next step is to restart your Ring device. You can do this by pressing the reset button on the device. Hold it for 20 seconds, then release it. Give it some time to restart.
Reconnecting your Ring device to Wi-Fi.
After your Ring device has restarted, the next step is to reconnect it to your Wi-Fi network. To do this, 1. Open the Ring app on your smartphone. 2. Go to the menu and select Devices, then choose your Ring device. 3. Tap on Device Health, and then select Reconnect to Wi-Fi. 4. Follow the in-app instructions to complete the setup process. And that's it. You should now have your Ring device back online. Remember, if you continue to face issues, it might be best to reach out to Ring's customer support for further assistance. We hope this guide was helpful, and thank you for watching.